Welcome to Dent Repair Inc., a mobile paintless dent removal company in Atlanta, Georgia. Our email address is www.dentrepairinc.com. Today we're going to show you some of the cars that we repair in our mobile service. Today we're utilizing a 2006 Mercury van, and as you can see, the rear end of this car has extensive damage, quite a large dent. One of our top technicians is going to show you how he massages the metal and pulls the dent from the car. And as you can see, it's a long, tedious process of bending the metal out to get the end result of having it flat and non-noticeable. With paintless dent removal, you do not have to have paint. So this saves a lot of money and time that it doesn't have to go to the body shop. The technicians can massage pretty large dents out. You'd be surprised at how big the dents can be, so they can remove them. So take a look and watch how the technician massages the metal out. As you can see, the metal is stretching. Have to stretch it out to bring it back level, kind of reversing what happened to the car and how it got its dent. This process is very tedious and takes a very experienced technician to make it non-noticeable. Metal's almost flush now. You can see he keeps massaging the metal, pulling it out, and stretching it. And as you'll see, you won't even be able to notice it.
Can you see it moving? You're going to edit out the voices, aren't you?
Oh, yeah.
Dent Repair Inc. has over 30 years of experience doing this service. It's almost got it pulled out, and in a minute you'll see the end result. Here's after. You can't even notice it was there. Before and after. Dent Repair Inc. Paintless dent removal. www.dentrepairinc.com. Come visit our website.